and race on Black Parade by the rushing up Saintly Fat. Easy Lover from the outside and rushing up is getting better. No Money, No Honey is running in fifth by the rail. Is entry number 2, King Patrick rushing up big time. Bootlegs alongside Terrible Friend from the outside. Formidable Ella and running by the rally center number 5. This one is Freedom Charger. Inside the last 600, Black Parade. And on the outside, Saintly Fat. Rushing up is getting better. Easy Lover from the outside by the rally. No Money, No Honey, and Big Time. Last 450, Black Parade. Easy Lover from the outside. No Money, No Honey. Sneaking down on the inside, Saintly Fat. And Big Time getting better. Racing towards the final turn. And into the exciting and long sun on a stretch run with Black Parade still the leader. No Money, No Honey from the outside. It's still Black Parade. No Money, No Honey, and Easy Lover once again from the outside. Black Parade, Easy Lover moving up, and finally Easy Lover. Black Parade, No Money, No Honey, Big Time. Number 7, Saintly Fat, and Bootleg.
Like what I said, it's just in the nick of time. Number 668, that's Easy Lover crossing the wire first. Coming in second, number 1, Black Parade. Ang sa pick 6 po natin, ang nanalo po dyan ay 3,484. That is something like 1,742 tickets. Yan po nanalo sa ating pick 6. Sa second set ng winner take all, eksakto, 1,000 ticket. 1,000. Okay. Quarter 6.5, 22.5, finishing at 23.5, or 23.5, finishing at 28. 1 minute 20.6, 1,300 meters ang distansya. Babalik po ako para sa